Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Krivokulski, but I go by Katie. I am from New Jersey originally, but I recently lived in Chicago for about 7 years. I was going to grad school. Then I moved back to the East Coast. In terms of work experience, when I was out there, I was a graduate student instructor. So I taught some classes on writing. I taught a class on death and dying that was really fun to teach, actually. And now I work at Princeton, and I work in the eviction lab, which is a lab that collected 83 million eviction records and put them on this interactive map that you can check out at evictionlab.org if you're interested. Mainly what I do is I'm an assistant to the professor who runs the lab. But I've also gotten to do some interviewing of landlords and tenants for one of the research papers that the lab is working on. So I got to travel to Alabama to do that in September, and it was great. And before that, I also worked at the Chicago Center for Teaching, doing teaching consultations for graduate students, and I was the program coordinator there too. So that is my work experience. Personally, I live with my sister, who's also in Widener's social work program. She does the in-person program. And other than that, I'm really excited about starting this program. I'm excited about learning more about all of you. I really enjoyed watching your videos. And generally, I'm just feeling very excited. I'm looking forward to the next semester ahead. So, thanks so much.